Welcome to the CryptoNest. Quick update on Bitcoin. So we had quite of a drastic drop down. We have a 1-2 here. We had a very nice third wave to the upside. Now we're having really a deep fourth wave. Not ideal to reach higher level, honestly. I do find it start to kind of jeopardize a little bit the target. Even though it's a nice target. So what did I do? Once again, I took for granted anyway for now that the price, if it can hold there, then the fifth wave target should be $130. Let me remove the fifth wave here. Yeah, so $130, 388. There is a backup plan. Where is it? The other chart. The other chart, I think this morning I did quickly made an update. It was a general crypto market overview because everything was shifting. And yeah, so I have several accounts. They are kind of similar. So I have this 1-2 in light blue. Let me shrink a little bit. And within this third wave in always light blue here, we had once again a 1-2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. So that's working. Now for the light blue, you can see that we are getting into the 0.618. Kind of similar of the previous chart I showed you. Now I have another one. Then it's kind of similar. Just hold on a second. They're kind of, yeah, both similar because the only one that really differs is the following: a 1-2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. And this is like a bigger wave 1, and this is the green circle wave 1. And now I'm expecting a pullback, but man, that we got a pullback. This was like a very impulsive, but unfortunately on the downside. That, as you can see, already reached the 0.5 fib retracement. And so now, to make it work, we need a B wave, but a very strong B wave, a high B wave, to not destroy this chart. Otherwise, I will have to, unfortunately, recount for something less bullish, I would say, because I don't see how I can make it work. So if we go below 0.786, and it's giving a lot of room, discount in green, 114,536. So this would be just the A. I'm going to put it on now. Okay, so this would be the A, this would be the B, and we're going to go and make the C. Now, the higher this B potentially can become higher, the better it is, because otherwise we're going to bust this 0.786 and make it less reliable. So just for fun, let's calculate how high the price should go. Actually, it's I don't do that often, but it does give us an idea of the level Bitcoin must reach to not jeopardize this chart. So the minimum, yeah, that's crazy, 122 to 50, let's say, to round it up, should be the level that it must reach to not jeopardize this chart. After that, you know, if we go below that, then you see that I didn't want to do that. This one. if we go below that and reach the, I mean, this is going to be near the 0.886 and start to be unreliable. Anything below 0.786, it's going to be unreliable. The other thing that kind of save us a little bit, or could save us a little bit, it's this MA50 as well, that is going up. Maybe by the time the B wave forms, then, you know, the MA50 could join the same level. Now, could it be that we just did a drastic pullback and everything is hidden here, and perhaps this is an A, a B, and a C, and because of the momentum, the news, the PPI results, it just, you know, expedite everything, and this could be already the wave 2. I mean, it wouldn't be the best because technically it wouldn't make it really reliable, and I'd rather Bitcoin take more time, make a very nice structure ABC. If he has to even reach under 15 or under 14.5 and then go higher, and you know, structurally would be better, because if we are able to do that, then we can push higher, right? And we can make even more extensions. This would be not great structurally, not great for long-term targets, because it makes this chart a little bit shaky, a little bit, I don't want to say light, but not as strong. Make it a weak chart, I would say. Alright, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share. I just want to check the daily. What's the RSI situation? We're not even oversold. We're not even into the 50 area. So it still tells you that, you know, Bitcoin, even though it did drop a lot, we are decently on a higher level on prices. Also, you know, here we are oversold. In a case we manage to go again in oversold, which hopefully we won't, because we want the price to be higher, and I would say way higher than previous RSI when it was oversold. So, you know, here we were about 112,000. We wouldn't want just a slightly higher high in value. If the RSI would come again to oversold, we want to have a way higher price, even though it can be oversold into the RSI. So that would be ideal. So now for the moment we're not there yet, but just, you know, as a general information, I also keep a track on the RSI levels and price action to see if you know, both are holding. Alright, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.